Guys, this is the Andheri Railway Station. Now we are going to the airport bus stop. Let's go. This is the Andheri East side. You need to go to the Andheri East side. Just look at the board, the Sagar Road. So let's come with me. So all shops are available if you want to eat something here. See the pav bhaji also available here. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. This is Andheri Railway Station. So for airport you need to go to Andheri East side. So bus are available, autos are available, taxi are available. Taxis are here, autos are here. So the bus are on the side. Yes. Guys, please take care. The bus number is 337. So the bus is Andheri East side. The bus are standing Andheri East side. So see, the more people are standing in the line. So now I just joined in the line for the airport bus. So we are getting on the bus. Guys, we are heading to the airport right now. So now the bus is no rush. Everybody's got up the bus. Okay guys, we reached the airport. It's time to get off the bus. Yes, the people are coming to boarding the bus. This is the way to go to the airport. So this is the bus stop, airport bus stop. Guys, please subscribe for more interesting videos. So guys, for your flight you need to go to the departure area P10. Guys, if you don't know how to get the departure area, so please kindly read the signboard. So they have mentioned Terminal 2. Please go straight. You need to go to the first P6, then take the escalator or elevator to go up P10. If you don't know how to get the departure area, just ask the people, those who are working at the airport. They will tell you, they will guide you properly. So this is the way to go to the P6. Go straight and turn right side. You will see the P6 area, that is arrival area. So now I am going to the P4. P4 is parking area. So all our taxi, shuttle bus are available P4. So this is the P4 area, parking for. See the bus over here. Pay here. Read the signboard. This is the way to go up. Space 6. I'm going to take the escalator to go up. So now I am going up to P6. So please come to the P4 area, then go to P6. Then again take the escalator to go to P10. So guys, this is the P6 area. This is the arrival area. So all passenger will come to this area, arrival area. So if your friends are coming this area, just you can pick them up. You can pick them up from here. This is the arrival area. Okay guys, this is a small video I have shared with you today, so please stay tuned for more new videos. P6. If you have doubt any regarding about your flight, please come to and check that display. You will get it. Rapido cabs are available. So again, just this escalator is going to just take this escalator and going to the departure area. Departure area is P10. This escalator is going to departure area. Just take this. Okay, now so we are